Are you tired of the same old 200 rupees bike wash services in Chennai? If so, it's time to discover something extraordinary. Carglow Detailers premium bike wash service in Chennai is here to transform your bike cleaning experience with unmatched quality and precision. At Carglow Detailers, we believe in elevating the art of bike washing. Our premium bike wash service goes beyond the typical rupees 200 washes, offering meticulous attention to detail and exceptional results. We prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring your bike receives the care it truly deserves. Our process begins with wheel spokes and chrome or alloy wheel cleaning, followed by chrome restoration of every spoke and entire wheel. We meticulously clean the engine using chemical brushing and address all chrome areas. The chain is thoroughly cleaned to remove lubricants, while salt is removed from side indicators and mirrors. As we are in coastal area, most of the plastics coated with chrome will attract salt. Tires are scrubbed with chemicals and brushed for a pristine finish. We also clean the license board and apply a foam wash using mirror indicators. Then we will apply touchless foam shampoo on the bike and will start washing. After washing, we use an air dryer to reach all corners to remove the water deposits, followed by careful toweling by avoiding any swirl marks on the paint panels. We wax all paint panels, ensuring a 3-month durability. Vinyl areas receive a special dressing, and tires are treated to shine. Please note that we are using only imported products, mostly from Germany and United States. We never use cheap products or any local cutting oils. Now you can see the bike look after Carglow wash. It looks like brand new. Finally, we apply chain lube for optimal performance. Carglow Detailers Premium Bike Wash is more than just a service, it's an experience. Pair it with engine polishing or a full bike polishing for the ultimate care. Ready to elevate your bike washing routine? Experience the difference with Carglow and ride with pride. We hope you are happy to watch this video and like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. If you want to try Carglow Premium Bike Wash service, please call to 949-806-8989 for booking time slot. We prefer to take job by appointment only. For more information, please visit our website, www.carglow.in. Thanks for watching this video.